Troubleshooting your air hydraulic floor-based pit jack. For troubleshooting, it's always a good idea to use a test bench. Make sure you have the right air pressure, 8.5 to 12 bar, that's 125 to 175 psi. If max lifting height cannot be reached, it is probably due to oil shortage or air in the hydraulic system. This jack should be able to lift 15 tons. If the jack cannot lift full capacity, it can be caused by a number of things, such as pinched or broken air hoses, that the safety valve needs to be adjusted, or a bad air supply due to a clogged air filter. Eventually, the air hydraulic pump may be defective and has to be replaced or repaired. A jumping cylinder is probably caused by air in the hydraulic system, and you then need to bleed the hydraulic system, follow the instructions in the manual, or watch our repair video. Pressure loss is normally caused by the release valve not being properly closed. If the jack raises unintentionally, it is probably because the pedal is constantly activating the air switch for quick lift. You may then pull the pedal back into the correct position. If the jacking beam cannot be lowered correctly, make sure that the valve knob on the release spindle is positioned correctly and not obstructing the release spindle from closing. If oil is leaking from the cylinder, you need to check cylinder seals and piston rod for damage.